Hello guys, and welcome to your channel Easy-TechLabs. So today's guys we are going to talk about manage files. Okay, this is our lab for today. That is going to be same in a different way. So anyway, manage files guys. In this lab we need to complete the following, right? So first things we need to do is we need to compress the data file that it's in the E drive. Okay, and of course when we compress this file we should include the contents in it. Okay, so we will have that option that we're gonna compress the both, the file and what's inside the file as well. Then the second things, we're gonna hide the file, the finance file that is in the same drive, which is E, right? So then next we're gonna make the following files read only, which is in the E drive, the finance 2020 report, and the same with the 21 report. So let's go ahead and let's start with the first step, that we need to compress the data file in the E drive. Okay, the data folder. So to do that we need to go to File Explorer, right? Then we go to this PC, and here is the E drive. Okay, so we get in the E drive. They want us to compress the data folder, right? And data folder already has some data inside there, so we need to compress this one. Right click, we go properties, and then we will go advanced, and here we can see compress contents to save disk space, right? So we check on this one, click OK, right? Apply, and here it gives us option: apply changes to this folder only, which is only the data folder, or apply changes to this folder and subfolders and files, which is the contents inside this data file, right? Data folder. So here they want us to include what's inside as well. Okay, so we are going to choose this one: apply changes to this folder and subfolders and files. Okay, here we go. So this first step is done. Second, we're gonna hide the finance, okay, in the E drive. Okay, in the finance folder we're gonna hide it. So how we can do that? In the same things in the E drive, finance, let's hide this folder. Or what we can do, right click, properties, and then we can hide it from here. Okay, hide. Okay, we can hide it with subfolders and files. Okay, done. When you hide it, you see that it's gray out a little bit, so it's not clear anymore. So now it's hidden there, and now let's move on to the next. Make the following files read only. Okay, we're gonna make the finance folder, and which is including the report inside of it. Okay, 2020 and 2021. So let's start with 20, and then we go ahead to do the same with the 21 report. So let's make it read only. Okay, so we go to finance, we go to 2020 report, right? Right click, properties, read only, it's already hidden. So we check this, apply. Okay, And the same with 21. Right click, properties, read only, apply. Okay, here we go. This is it. So yep, so in this lab we compress this folder, the data folder, and including its contents inside array, and then we hide the finance folder, and then we move to the next step that we went to the report 2020 report. So we check read only, so for 20 and 21. So this was our lab for today, that it's in a chapter 11, manage files. So see you guys in the next lab. Peace out.